So hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Inverse. Here we are back with another video of ICP coin internet computer. So most of the people have already bought this coin at around $400 when it was listed at the new price at newly it went to $3,200, which was too much. So they all the YouTubers thought that this coin was gonna bloom and everything, so they made everyone bought this coin, and people are struck from it in $400, and still now it's still crashing. But now the time has come. We have undetected another pattern inside this coin known as falling wedge. Falling wedge is the most bullish pattern, and for now we can here trade on this coin again. And you can see that this coin is now showing me a rise of 169%, because every time we see this coin trading at this level, at the at this level, we can see the price reaching from here to here at 100, which is 108 rise in price. But for now, this falling wedge is about to break out, and the breakout price for now is $28. So we are expecting a gain of 160%, so which will be around 2x. So it has already tested this downtrend line once, two. So this is the third time we are going to test this line. We have already held the support of this one and this one. So expecting a breakout and a serious CSR flip here. Like if we flip this area at a good price, if we flip at a good volume, we will be heading much upward, and the much upward, which means 167%. So clearly guys, do not miss ICP. You should at least have 10 ICP in your portfolio, and I'm not saying that 10, that you how much you can afford, please have it. And I'm expecting, for me, the price breakout price on the expected date is 14th of January, not more than that. If we stay above this trend line, the buying volumes is also increases. You can see all green candles here, one, two, three. Volume is increases. Once we reach here or here at the breakout, we will see a 167% rise in the price of ICP coin. Bitcoin dominance is also going down, which is a good sign, and I have already shared the signal of ICP here at 27th of December, and we are still running in profit. We had already entered at 24 on this coin, and we are still have our one time entry is 24.90, and we are still running in profit. So please hold the coin, and our main target is $88 for now, and that's stop loss at $19. So I hope are doing well in your trades. Do join our Telegram channel for further update. And Bitcoin dominance will be at 39%, which will be showing a rise from now in some time, and you will not be able to catch the alt bleeding. So join us there. And once the Bitcoin dominance reaches a support of 39 level, it will start to, and it will 39 at this support, it will start, all the alts will start to bleed, that this is a good support, and all the alts will start to bleed, and you will not gonna know when this will happen. So be with us in our Telegram channel. I will keep you updated when to leave the trade, when to join. So thanking you. I hope for the best with ICP coin. Do follow it. You'll already be in profit. And our channel, you you can see our video. Everything is going well. This is not, I'm gonna show you. So everything is going well. Every video is coming out daily. I've just uploaded Phantom Coin. I will be bring it in the last of the video. So thanking you guys. Do for join our Telegram channel and subscribe us on YouTube, and do press the bell icon. Thank you guys.